Breast cancer is the second leading cause of cancer-related deaths in women, and this is believed to be due to the presence of cancer stem cells, which are cells that are resistant to chemotherapy, are responsible for tumor formation, and as you can see from my top image, while chemotherapy will shrink a tumor by targeting the bulk cells of a tumor, cancer stem cells reside within the tumor and remain unaffected, ready and waiting to start another tumor once chemotherapy stops. Therefore, the purpose of my project is to identify a drug that could be used to eliminate these cells, so when combined with chemotherapy, could provide durable remission to breast cancer patients. My lab focuses on targeting specific cellular pathways that are known to be highly important for cancer stem cell survival. To this end, we have identified a potent inhibitor of one of these specific cellular pathways that has been found to target specifically cancer stem cells, so it became our candidate drug. But would it work in an animal model? In the lower left-hand image, we can see that the cancer stem cell therapy alone was unable to specifically affect the tumor formation on its own as compared to the controls in blue. But when combined with chemotherapy in purple, you can see that the combination therapy of both the candidate drug and chemotherapy was able to reduce not only the tumors in all of the mice, but also cure 4 of the 7 mice, compared to chemotherapy alone in green. But the real question is, would this last? So we followed 4 mice from the chemotherapy cohort, as well as 4 from the candidate drug plus chemotherapy cohort. And sure enough, as we see in the clinic, many patients that relapse do so shortly after their chemotherapy ends, or a couple years after, but in a mouse model, this is translatable to a couple weeks. A week after treatment, sure enough, chemotherapy alone led to relapse in all these mice, whereas the combination therapy was curative in 4 out of 4 of the mice. So what's our next step? We would like to take this candidate drug into a preclinical model, as well as determine how these cells are particularly being affected by this treatment. And therefore, the goal of this whole project is to one day combine this drug with chemotherapy to provide durable remission to breast cancer patients. Thank you.